Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by saving your work and making a quick backup. You do not want to lose custom layouts. Once done, open Blender and locate the Workspace tabs at the top. You should also open Edit Preferences and confirm that Auto-Save and file paths are valid so recovery is available. Make sure to note any add-ons you need to re-enable. Now you're ready to perform the first reset actions. Switch to the default workspace and proceed with the Layout Reset command. Now you execute the core reset steps. Pick the Workspace tab you want to restore and right-click on the Layout header to access reset options. You can reset individual editor types by right-clicking Properties and choosing Reset to Default Value, which preserves other configurations. For a full GUI rollback, go to File Defaults Load Factory Settings. This reverts all workspaces, editors, and keymaps. Once that completes, make sure to save a copy of any reapplied add-ons and custom themes you still need. Finish by saving the restored state. Choose File Default Save Startup File so your workspace persists. You should restart Blender to confirm changes are stable. If something goes wrong, panels missing, or UI acting up, disable recently added add-ons, then restart. Make sure to clear caches and reset memory limits under Preferences System if performance issues persist. One key troubleshooting tip: if the UI still fails, reset Configuration folder by renaming the Blender configuration directory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.